What's the meaning of adventurous? Adventurous. 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 The term adventurous typically refers to a woman who seeks out exciting or risky experiences, often with the intention of gaining wealth or social status. This term often carries a negative connotation, as it suggests that the woman is willing to compromise her moral values and engage in unethical behavior for personal gain. Some may view the term as sexist or outdated, as it implies that women who pursue adventure and ambition are somehow deviant or abnormal. Ultimately, the interpretation of this term depends on the individual's perspective and cultural context.